Embark on a flavorful culinary journey as we delve into the world of Turkish Ezme, a spicy and vibrant salad that's a beloved part of Turkish cuisine. This comprehensive video will guide you through an in-depth process of making Ezme, showcasing the explosion of flavors that make this dish a favorite for many. We begin with the foundation of Ezme: fresh tomatoes, onions, and green peppers. These fresh vegetables form the base of the salad, and we'll show you how to finely chop them to ensure they meld together perfectly, creating a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. The essence of Ezme lies in its bold and fiery taste. We'll introduce key ingredients like hot chili peppers and garlic, which add a pungent and spicy kick to the salad. A variety of spices, including paprika, cumin, and sumac, are added to create a rich, complex flavor profile that's characteristic of Ezme. We'll guide you through balancing these spices to achieve a perfect harmony of heat, sweetness, and tang. The preparation of Ezme is both an art and a science. We'll demonstrate the technique of thoroughly mixing the ingredients, ensuring each bite is a perfect balance of heat, sweetness, and acidity. We'll also explore variations, such as adding pomegranate molasses or fresh herbs to personalize your Ezme. Serving Ezme is about more than just taste. It's about presentation and versatility. This vibrant dish can be enjoyed in various ways: as a zesty dip with warm bread, as a flavorful side to grilled meats, or as a bright addition to a meze platter. We'll share creative presentation ideas, including garnishing with fresh herbs and a drizzle of olive oil, making Ezme not just a dish, but a culinary experience. Join us in this video to master the art of making Turkish Ezme, a dish that's a celebration of bold and vibrant flavors. Whether for a special occasion or as a delightful addition to your regular menu, Ezme is a versatile and flavorful choice that's sure to spice up any meal.